We're always on the lookout for unique, new boat designs at boat shows, so my daughter and I stopped by the Bavaria Yachts display at a recent show to check out their new SR41 coupe.
Look at this little window.
It's a 41-foot, 2-cabin, 2-head family boat, just like our own 41-foot Sea Ray, but definitely different. Bavaria Yachts are made in Germany, a country known for engineering excellence, so you might expect them to be the BMWs of boats in terms of performance. The design is actually from Italy, so there's a lot of modern European design features, with lots of things you don't see in boats built in the US.
Way to get to look how deep.
Super European. I get out. That's super neat.
Special thanks to Skipper Chip with S&J Yachts, who took us on a personal tour that also included a bit of his southern charm.
Boats are boats. I'll show you how to use them, where to go with them. I've been there. Come on, I'll go with you. Let's go.
Climb on board with us for a quick walkthrough of the Bavaria Yachts SR41.
Okay, so this table in the back here flips down into a sunbed?
Well,
is that what you're saying?
the table does lower and makes a great sun lounge, but also the back baluster of that table, when the table's lowered, for example, that cushion back flips this way, so you have a forward-facing bench seat that joins the open salon, the wet bar that's built into the starboard side there. These doors allow you to air condition or heat the salon. They're also removable. You can take them off, put in storage, and you've got a big open Florida fun boat, you know, for a couple of seasons a year or something like that.
41 foot?
41 foot. Wait till you see the master cabin. The VIP cabin's impressive, but the owner's cabin is it's more like a 60-footer.
All right, watch your step, Emma.
Now fall in, Emma. We'll laugh a minute and pluck you out. It happens once a year.
Once a year?
Yeah,
that's kind of cool. Are you serious?
Oh yeah, make yourself at home.
No.
We'll let you walk around. I'll let you tour yourself around the front. The weather decks, notice you don't have to squinch and squeeze. You can actually walk.
I'll take that walk up there right now.
Take a look at the hardware on the front.
You got a nice handrail up here, which is kind of cool. Oh wow. Nice lounge up here with cup holders. That's always nice. Really nice walkable up here. Oh, look at that sunroof. That's
relaxing pad. Notice this is important. That's a one-piece sunscreen. Often there's a split where it's two pieces of glass or plastic, and it leaks.
That's beautiful.
So this is nice, and it always is going to be easy visibility. Also, that retractable hard GRP roof lets you have the breeze, lets you get your tan on. You see the chaise lounge up here on the top side?
Wow, you can just be hanging out inside there.
The real reason that's there is so now you can stand up and do jumping jacks downstairs in the master fee berth. So they use the space. Those Germans are really smart and efficient.
That's what you want to do. A little window. That's kind of cool. See, now this is a little tricky here because you need to hold on this side when you get to here. Not as good as a GoPro. So this is the Helm and the salon, pretty much all included here. Nice dinette area, lounging seat area. Yeah, I love these little side windows here. That's very cool.
More breeze, and you can communicate with the folks running the dock lines.
Right.
You know, the dock master. This is worth a shot. These are two big Volvo diesels.
Yeah.
And lots of room for you to get down in there. Everything, easy fuel tanks, easy water storage, your manifolds, so you don't have to be a gymnast or really an expert. It's easy to take care of this boat underway. This is perfect for Christmas in the Keys. Go around to the St. Pete Boat Show and meet us there, and then come back here for the spring shows.
Yeah, Christmas in the Keys. We love to do Christmas in the Keys.
New Year's in Miami. That's in January in the Bahamas. That's my rhythm. Come on.
Let's go down below. It's really steep. Ooh, there's a nice headroom in here. Ooh, there it is. Okay, so I'm 5'10", and here's the headroom. So that's pretty good headroom. Nice.
So pretty.
Oh, and then there's another dinette down here.
Okay, so you're a girl, I'm 25% girl. When you open up these cabinets, they're not particle board. This is not an IKEA boat. Open the doors.
Yeah.
They're made of wood. The doors have a little more heft.
Yeah, they definitely do.
The hinges are 1/8 inch.
You don't get that weird
16-inch
laminate stuff. Yeah.
heavier feeling.
Okay, cool. So let's go check out the cabin.
This is the one forward.
Door number 1.
Exactly. Yes.
There's lots of doors here. I'm not sure
nice
where to go.
queen.
Oh yeah, that is nice queen. Okay.
Some hanging locker, and there's head up there.
Yeah, look at all the extra room up here for storage. That's pretty cool.
It's so good.
It's a little bit tight with the door, but it's nice. This is the VIP, so this is not even the
That's the VIP, which means guest.
And then in here,
just a wet head.
Well, wet head, got it. No, but look at this.
When you hear that phrase, that means the wand is a shower,
The
shower
headroom.
wand, and you got a something real teak down there.
Yeah, beautiful.
You know. And notice there are not the little bumps or whatnot. So this comes with a little way to get to. Look how deep the storage.
Oh
yes,
man, that's where you put all the bottled water.
Right, but no places for corrosion or anything like that. Or really, it's easy to sweep and keep clean.
Sweet.
But it's deeper than you think. Is my point. You can put. I think we officially that's 4 cases of beer in that one. Don't ask me how I know.
So that's the tool right there.
Yes, that's it. And it's just a suction cup. You'll notice a trend in most boats, and even in restoring old project boats with passion of mine, we're taking out gas and we're going with induction. Induction is fine. All you need is some kind of ferrous pot. No fire, no curtain fires, no tanks go boom boom.
Yeah.
So actually now, as we get old boats, we take out the propane system and make sure we wire for this. Maybe it needs another battery. That's dead cold storage there, sink. And
what do you mean dead cold storage?
Just barely a fridge, deep well fridge.
I get out. That's super
So that's
neat.
where you put your turkey or your ham. And
The turkey?
Yeah, well, you think I'm kidding? I lived aboard for 7,000 miles in 2 years.
Wait, where's the actual fridge?
That's about it.
That's the fridge.
The other fridge is up there in the salon.
In the salon, okay.
This might be a Euro trend. It's definitely a trend.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
It's definitely a trend with
I'll be
Bavaria. They're moving the cook and entertainment upstairs.
Okay.
And really, most of us are using Instapots and air fryers downstairs.
This is nice.
That is unusual. You've got both side walk around.
Yeah. Well, you're not really. You kind of crawl around a little bit.
Okay,
here.
fine, but you're not
walking.
Belly hunch to make the bed.
Yeah. You could sit here and then just kind of roll in. Yeah.
That has a dedicated master bed with it.
There's definitely some headroom.
A full separate shower compartment.
Yeah. Nice little seating area here. No, you don't want a curtain. No.
And you always get weight in the Anchorage and Palm Beach, and so. Man,
you get around. I'll tell you. I want to be cruising to all these places that you're talking about.
Yeah,
we're on the Chesapeake most of the time.
That's why I'm halfway effective broker, is because boats are boats. I'll show you how to use them, where to go with them. I've been there. Come on, I'll go with you. Let's go. If you want, I'll bring your boat to your dock, wherever it is.
Love it.
You've got radio and you've got subsystems to run the boat.
So that's your control panel.
And plenty of charging options for all your different stuff. These are halfway decent storage. It is piped for the weather control or HVAC. I even have begun to like the light switch.
Super European.
Right.
Yeah.
But think of tactile with your eyes closed. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Because you're underway and it's dark and there's only some red lights on. It's easy to use, or you feel your way around.
Well, thank you for the tour. This was great.
Thanks for stopping.
Hope you enjoyed this boat tour with us. If you want to check out another cool boat tour, join us for a recent video we did of the Green Line 45 Fly, a diesel electric hybrid yacht.